Hello, welcome back to AI Python. I hope you are doing great. This is going to be one of the very special video because the concept that you will be learning in this video can be used across multiple projects. You have already seen the thumbnail and I hope you are clear with the topic. In case you did not figure out what will be there in this video, then let me give you the overview of the content. The main aim will of course be to create a Telegram bot that can send messages in the Telegram group. In this video, you will learn step-by-step process to achieve this goal. Let's see the content breakup. So we'll start off by using Telegram app to create a bot, a new bot, and assign a name as well as a username to it. Please make note of it. Name and username both are different things. Then we will create a group in Telegram, which is pretty straightforward. I know in 21st century everyone knows how to create a group on various app or social platform. But in case if you don't have the idea, I will make you understand the complete process. Then you will learn to add this bot in the newly created group. Lastly, we will create a function in Python, very small function, that will trigger this bot to send message on the Telegram group. There will be a bonus section at the end of this video, so stay with me till the end of this video. I am repeating it again. After learning the concept being taught in this video, you will be able to apply the same in many applications. I'll also be posting several Python project videos that will make you use the concept learned in this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. A short appeal. We are devoting our time to plan, prepare, and present each content to you in the best possible way. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and passion to create these videos for you. We will continue to deliver the knowledge that we have acquired in our professional career for absolutely free. We need your support. You can support us in two simple ways. Subscribe to our channel and share this in your social network. This will encourage us more than anything to go beyond the limit and fulfill our motto of keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much for your time. So creating bot in Telegram is fairly simple task. You have to open your Telegram application either in mobile or you can open on the desktop as well. And then search for bot father. When you write bot father, it will pop up a Telegram official bot father. Using this bot father, you can create and manage different bots. And this is official release by Telegram side. So they have given this application kind of chatbot which interact with the user and we do various functions, right? So this will help us to create a bot. So click on this and then this will be the default, you can say, message, which is like bot father is one bot to rule them all. So this is a bot of all the bot, right? Bot father, father of all the bots. Use it to create a new bot account and manage your existing bot. As I told you, this is the main feature of this Telegram bot, right? I mean, not Telegram bot, bot father. Okay. And these are the documentation. In case if you are interested, you can check out the documentation. It's a very nice elaborated document and it can help you to grow your application massively. We will understand how to create that. In this in this entry box, we will write, so you have to start with /start, right? And then it will say a lot of things, right? It will display you various options as how can you help and what are the options available, right? In this case, you have to select new bot, right? Either you can click on this one or you can write using this entry box new bot, right? So I'll click on this bot and it will say, okay, all right, a new bot. Please choose a name for your bot. Right now, we have to find out a name for the bot, and in this case, we are giving a name of vaccine notifier because we wanted to make a vaccine notifier. So we will create a bot with the name vaccine notifier, right? And Great, you have been created. Good. Now let's choose a username. So this is a name for the bot. Now we have to choose the username and make sure that in the username, so when you're creating a name, it can be anything, but when you are selecting a username, it should have this bot keyword at the end. It could be underscore bot, but bot should be there, right? So we will be writing here. We will just directly write. I mean, you can write directly. You can copy this one because I want to give the same username also and end with the bot, right? So this way, oh, I mean, it says this username has already been taken. No problem. Vaccine notifier 2 underscore bot. I hope this is not taken. Okay, great. So this is available and they have given me that congratulations, this bot has been created. Okay, so please make a note of it because we are going to use this one. Or even if you don't take note of it, whenever you come back to botfather, this will be available. This information will be available. And we need to use this token later on in our Python code in order to authenticate with this bot, right? So our bot is created, vaccine notifier 2 underscore bot. Congratulations, you have completed the first task. So in this section, we will see how we can create a group in Telegram. I hope most of the people know about this. This is fairly a simple task also. Even creating a group in any of the application, it's so easy. They are now have come up with a lot of intuitive interface and it allow even the first time user to create a group or kind of a channel very easily in Telegram. So in case if you're not aware of how to create a group, you will learn it in this section. And group is basically a place where you make other people, where you invite other people to join that group and share a common thought, or even individual people can share their own thoughts so that many people can collaborate together at a single place. All right. So we will see how we can create a group in Telegram. In this case also, you can use either your mobile application or you can use a window application or even Mac application, right? Wherever Telegram is supported, you can use that application to create the group. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and click on this. This is called menu button and we'll click on here and it'll ask for a group, right? So you can create a channel also and group also. For the time being, we are not focusing on the channel. So we'll go ahead and create a group. Click on the new group and it will ask for a group name. So in this case, let's say give vaccination info. So this is what I wanted to keep the name of the group, and it fairly state that I'm talking about the vaccination info. So the main agenda for the group should also be somehow satisfied, right? It's although not necessary, but I would highly recommend you to write a valid name of the group so that even the third person who are receiving your invitation should understand, okay, what this group is all about. All right. So click on the next and you have to add the members. So what we will do it, actually we are going to add member in the next step. So for the time being, I will cancel it, but it will not allow me to cancel. So I'll go ahead and add that bot we have created. You can use either a username or normally a name to search for that particular bot, right? And in this case, we will use vaccine notifier, right? Yes. So basically we found that vaccine underscore notifier underscore 2 underscore bot. If you write, you will find out this is the bot we are talking about. So we will add this bot here by clicking on it and we will just say create, right? We will not add any other people right now. So as you can see, we have created a vaccination info group and we have added this vaccine notifier 2 as a member, and you can check out the information from here. As you can see here, the two people including me, myself and vaccine notifier, both are added to this group, right? So this is how you can add basically a bot to the group, and as well as other people also you can add. By clicking on this, you will see a lot of members whichever are added in your, whichever are already in your network, it will be added. So I'm not interested to give you the detail of my contact right now. It would not be feasible because I do not want to share their names, even the information, without their consent. So I'm doing so. So we have added the bot to the group, right? Now you can do one thing. This group is not public right now. By default, it is not a public group. So you have to make it public. So go on here and then manage group. When you go to manage group, it will ask for a description. Just write vaccination information for my area. Whatever is area, you can write the name of your area also. This is optional, although, but I would highly recommend you to write the name. It would be like a formal way of doing all the process. And then group type, you have to convert this private into public so that you will get a name. Right now, you can give any name, but I would recommend you to give the name which you can remember and which also matches with the bot name. For example, I will write vaccine notifier 2, right? It says link is available, or even I think notifier. Okay, vaccine notifier, right? And then you can click on save, and we need this info. So vaccine notifier, we will use this one. We will copy it so that it will be used in the next step and save on it. Now you can see, and once you click on save button, this will create a group in the public domain so everybody can access it. And at the same time, you will also see that there is a link which is created, and you can use this link to invite other member to join this group, right? And as you can see here, this vaccine notifier bot is also one of the member of this group. You can see this is a bot, this is not a human being, right? Okay, that's how you created the group, and use this. Now we will use all this information. So we have created our group, we have created our bot, and then we added this bot into the group. Now we will create a Python function, small function, barely 5-10 lines of code, which will create a dummy message based on the time stamp so that you will understand that, okay, this message has been sent on this particular time. And then we will send this message using Python function. So in this section now we will see how to write a Python code. This Python code will basically trigger the bot which we have created in the previous step to send message into a Telegram group wherever it is added, right? The code is very simple. Trust me, there are only couple of constants that we are using. Otherwise, the function looks very simple. Let's get started and understand the code. So when you see the code, like the first thing that we are doing is importing request library, because basically we will be sending an HTTP request to backend of the Telegram app. It gets connected with the bot and send the message onto your particular Telegram group. I have also talked more about request module and how to install it in Python. You can check out the video from the card shown at the top right corner of this screen. The second thing is date time, because we wanted to have a timestamp of the message, that is the current time. And then pytz, basically a time zone for Python, which will allow you to specify the time in the particular time zone. That's it. So the first variable that we are creating is IST, stands for Indian Standard Time. Right now I'm in India, so I'll be using IST. And using pytz.time zone, I have specified the time to be from Asia, Kolkata, which is like Indian Standard Time, right? The time zone can be specified in different format. You can check out the documentation of pytz module. You'll find plenty of information on that. Now, using this information, we are creating a raw timestamp. TS stands for timestamp, and using date time module, date time dot now will give me the current date, time, second, millisecond, everything in that particular timestamp. And now from that timestamp, I'll be creating two variable. One is for current date, other is current time. So current date is basically from that raw timestamp, I'll be using string format, strf time, string format time, to extract the information in this format. So I'll be extracting the date in ddmmyyyy format, right? You can check out the formatting. There are a couple of formatting available. Based on your need, you can select the way you want. Similarly, for current time, I can use the same string formatting function to extract the time in this format. Right now, I'll be using 24-hour format, so I'll specify 24-hour format, right? This is in 24-hour format. So the next thing is Telegram authentication token and Telegram group ID. So as you can see here, we have created our group and this token was provided. By the way, disclaimer, I'm going to flush this token or I'm going to revoke this token so that you will not able to use this. And just after completing this video, I'm going to delete this bot as well as the channel. So this will not exist and you will not able to flood me with a lot of information, which I can do, and you can also do that. All right, this is just a safety information. You do not share this to anyone. And a better way is you can write this information into your environment variable to hide this information and ask Python to read the information from the environment variable so that even if you're sharing this code to someone else, they're not able to find the information out of your data. You should not share this information anyway. And I have made a particular video how you can store this information in window environment variable, and using Python you can retrieve the data so that even if you share this code to someone else, they will not able to find this information. Check out this video, that is very important and can help you to store all your secret information, API key, username, password, email ID, anything, phone number into your environment variable, and then using Python you can get the information from that. You can find the video link in the card showing at the top right corner of this screen. So Telegram authentication token and Telegram group ID. So group ID is very important, and how you can find the group ID, let's see. You can click on the group and then go to group information. This is group name. The group ID is this one, vaccine underscore notifier, right? So copy this one or you can write it here. So this will be the group ID. I have also made the mistake many times that I was using vaccine info like the group name as the group ID, but it's not. So don't make that mistake again. Learn from my mistake. It's an advantage for you, right? All right, I hope it is clear. Next, we will create a message format using format string. In case if you don't know about format string, it's a very simple way to represent the information in curly braces, where this acts as a placeholder. And if you write any string preceding with F, then this become a F string. And then in the curly braces, you can put the placeholder. Right now, the message that I'm creating is, it looks like message received on, this is the particular date and this is particular time, right? So whenever Python will send the message to Telegram, it will send this message. So because I'm going to use this one, and with every received message you will have almost same date but time is different, right? So that you can understand, okay, this message has came first, or exactly I'm getting the right messages, right? Just to verify. So this is the main function that we'll be using. You can name it anything for my convenience, and for all others convenience I have given the name as send underscore message on Telegram and the message. So it will take one message and use that as a parameter, input parameter, execute this function. So let's see the function, Telegram underscore API underscore URL. This is the variable that I've created, which holds basically the API link, or you can say the API route. And I'll provide this in the description. You can find out the link in the description, right? And you try to write in the same format. So when this Telegram API URL is called, as you can see here, this is also an F string. So this will be replaced by the respective authentication token. You can also directly write it here, but it's better practice to keep it in a variable and use that variable here so that you can directly change here and it will be reflected at all over the places wherever they are used. Second thing is chat ID at the rate, and then you can use Telegram group ID and the text equal to message. This is the message that will be fetched from here, right? This is a function, and I hope you understand the function in Python. Now I'm using a request module to send a request on this particular route. So using request module, I am using requests.get to send a request on this particular URL, right? And the response will be stored here. Response will be like, if it is delivered, it will be 200 because 200 sent a successful message completion, right? Or if it is any other thing, it could be 400 or 501, 401, anything that is like it's not delivered or some other. We will be just looking if it is 200, try to find information from this one and create an if-else statement where I'll compare the status code. So if you say tell underscore response dot status code, so this will be the status code once you send a request to this one. And we wanted to compare whether this status code is equal to 200. That means if it is 200, that implies that the message has been successfully delivered and you will get the information, you will get the message on the Telegram. And I'm going to demonstrate it live to you right now. So once it is, if it is 200, it is delivered and we will display a print a message on the Python console that yes, notification has been sent to Telegram. Otherwise, if it is anything apart from 200, we will just say error, could not send the message, right? So I hope you understand this is very simple, fairly simple task and to create this function. Now we'll use this function with the message that we have created here. So we are calling this function. Whenever I am executing this code, this function will be triggered with this message and it should appear at this point. So let's see now. All right. So are you excited to see how Python sends a message to Telegram? Let's see them in action. Action, roll, 1, 2, 3. So I'll execute this. I was just joking. I will execute this code and I hope you will able to get this information with the current date and time. So I'm sending the message and you can see it says notification has been sent on Telegram and like this is the message that I'm receiving and from the Python side. And at the same time, you can see vaccine notifier one robot had sent a message which is message received on 10th of August at 2:59 a.m. I did not realize it's 3 a.m. in the morning and I was making video. Oh my God. Anyway, all right. This is all for you guys. That's all for you guys. I'm making a lot of effort to create videos for you. So definitely hit a thumbs up if you like. Let's have another message again to in order to check if I'm getting another message. Yes, I'm getting at 3:52, right? It's already 3. Oh my God. Okay, so I hope you understand and you also have authenticated. I mean, try to have some faith in me. It's a real time transmission of message from Python to Telegram. Okay, so here comes the bonus section. Now, what is the bonus section? Did I talk about the bonus section? No? Okay. So the bonus section is if you have the Telegram app and you created the bot, then using the bot father, you can manage the bot as well. So how you can manage, let's say if you want to destroy right now, I will show you how to destroy that bot. Okay. So I will use slash my bots and it will show me these are the bots that I've created. I'm concerned about this one right now. So I'll click on this one and I can manage it. For example, let's say I wanted to see the API token. If I somehow missed it, I can use this one to get my API token. I can get this one, right? At the same time, this is important. Right now, what I was saying, I will revoke this current token. That means if you click on the revoke, this token will be replaced with a new one and you will not able to use the previous token. Okay. Anyway, I know if I revoke it, a new token will be generated and it will display here. But anyway, I'm just trying to show it to you. I will delete it later. So revoke means it will create another token like this. Okay. So back to the bot and then you can have a different bot setting, like you can transfer this ownership to someone else or even delete the bot, which we are going to do at the end. And then you can set the payment also. I have not tried this one, but I'm trying to learn on this and you can also set up your payment way. So that's kind of shopping online on Telegram. You can create your own shopping products and for each shopping product, you can create a link so that person can buy and provide a payment and purchase the product using that link. So this is somehow that I'm exploring it. I don't have the confidence right now. I'll try to make a video on this later on. And this at the same time, like there are other options, bot setting. You can go to maybe for group policy, allow group domain. These are the settings that you can try with the bot. And then edit bot, you can give a different name, description, about anything like that, right? So these are the things that you can control your bot. And finally, I'm going to delete this bot because I'm not going to use it. Yes, delete the bot. Yes, I'm 100% sure. Now this doesn't exist. This doesn't exist, right? Do you want to see? If I now execute this code, it will say error. It will say error, could not send message, because it is not able to locate the bot. The one reason was because I changed the API authentication token. Anyway, if it would have been there, even though the message would have not been sent to Telegram, because bot doesn't exist anymore. And at the same time, I will also delete this group, and I will leave this group, and yeah, it's deleted. All right, so this was the purpose of the video. Created the bot, I created the group, so added this bot into the group, and then use this Python code to send message by the bot to this Telegram group, right? After doing everything, I destroyed them completely. Destroyed. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned many of the things from this video. Provide your support by liking this video, and also if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I've seen the stats in my YouTube that people 92% of people who are watching this video are not subscriber. I mean did, did I ask you money for that? No. Subscribe the channel and gives a thumbs up to the video. This will definitely motivate me to go further and create various videos on Python. That's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Please help us by sharing this video in your network. We read each comment and reply them. In case if you have any doubt related to this video, then do write them in the comment section. We will reply. See you next time with another exciting and informative content. I'll be preparing the next video for you. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.